Unveiling the true essence of wild camping. Imagine the freedom of wild camping, where nature envelopes you in its untamed beauty. It's an escape unlike any other. But this adventure isn't just about the stunning sunsets or the serene mornings. It's a journey of self-discovery and resilience. Each step into the wilderness challenges you, from finding the perfect spot to setting up shelter without leaving a trace. The reality hits with the first night's sounds, the rustle and the calls of the wild. It's thrilling yet daunting. Gathering water, cooking over a fire you made, it's all part of the real survival experience that tests your skills. Despite the challenges, the sense of achievement as you leave no trace behind, preserving nature's beauty, is profoundly rewarding. So, are you ready to embrace the wild camping reality? It's not just a trip, it's an adventure that transforms.